So in this video we are going to discuss about double fertilization. So after this pollen tube entering the synergids, that is entering any one of the synergids, the pollen tube releases the two male gametes. So the inside the synergids, that the pollen tube releases two male gametes. So out of which the one male gamete move towards the egg, where the other move towards the polar nuclei. That is, there will be two polar nuclei in the central cell. So this out of two, one move towards the egg and the other move towards the polar nuclei, that is in the which is located in the central cell. So when it move towards the egg, it fuses with the nuclei and it completes the process of syngamy. So when it moves towards the egg, it completely fuses with the nuclei of the egg and it completes the process syngamy. Whereas the other hand, when the male gamete which move towards the two polar nuclei, which is in the central cell, produces a triploid primary endosperm nucleus. That is triploid primary endosperm nucleus. So here, since three haploid nuclei takes place, we call it as triple fusion. So this is called as syngamy and the other process is called triple fusion, where syngamy and triple fusion occurs together. So we call it as double fertilization, which is a unique event for flowering plants. So for flowering plants, which is a unique event, it is double fertilization. So here one of the male gamete move towards the egg and the other move towards the polar nuclei, where one male gamete fuses with the egg and completes the process syngamy, where the other fuses with the two polar nuclei and to produce triploid primary endosperm nucleus. So since there is an involvement or the participation of three haploid nucleus, we call it as triple fusion. So together we call it as double fertilization, which is the unique event in flowering plants. So after double fertilization, that is after triple fusion that is taking place in the central cell, the central cell converts or it becomes the primary endosperm cell, that is PEC. It becomes the primary endosperm cell and it further develops into endosperm. At the same time, that is while the conversion of this primary endosperm nucleus cell to endosperm, the zygote develops into the embryo. Thank you.